Hello and welcome to my channel. Maybe you're completely new to coding. Or you tried before and felt overwhelmed. But here's the truth, 2026 is the best moment ever to start learning C#. The world around us is changing fast. AI is everywhere, every business needs software, and even your home is smarter than ever. And behind millions of apps, from websites to cloud systems, from mobile apps to games, you'll find one powerhouse language, C#. C# has become one of the most complete, versatile and powerful languages in the world. With it, you can build literally anything. Windows desktop apps, mobile apps with MAUI, websites and APIs with ASP.NET, cloud apps running on Azure, AI tools, VR and AR experiences, and even full games with Unity. If you can imagine it, C# can build it. And in 2026, C# reaches a whole new level. With the brand new C# 14, .NET 10, and Visual Studio 2026, learning and building software becomes cleaner, faster and more beginner-friendly than ever. .NET 10 gives you massive performance boosts, a modern UI framework, stable long-term support and true write once, run anywhere capabilities. Visual Studio 2026 brings an improved interface, cleaner workflows, and deep AI integration that helps you write code, explain errors, generate functions and even learn new concepts instantly. And C# 14? It's more elegant, more readable and more powerful, perfect for beginners and professionals alike. If you ever thought programming is too hard, 2026 completely changes the game. With AI helping you, with modern tools guiding you, and with C# becoming easier every year, this is the perfect time to start. We begin at absolute zero. Together we'll build real Windows apps, understand how code works, and slowly climb step by step toward creating tools, utilities and even full applications you can use, share or sell. You're not just learning a language. You're learning a skill that lets you create anything, from your own tools, to full business software, to mobile apps, to websites, to AI integrations. So let's open the door to your future. Let's begin your journey into C#, .NET 10 and Visual Studio 2026. Clear, modern, and step by step.